In this video, we are using the specialized tool to install the lower control arm and spring bag for Mercedes-Benz W211. If you are installing it, need to install the air spring bag first. For demonstration purposes, we remove the air spring bag dust cover. During actual installation, we do not need to remove the dust cover. Install the factory retaining bolt, but do not tighten it yet. Insert it with the tool to set the correct installation angle. The wide side of the tool faces toward the steering knuckle spindle. The narrow side faces toward the subframe. During installation, the tool locks in the angular relationship between the lower control arm and the air spring bag. Insert it into the appropriate position until it bottoms out. At this point, we should clearly see that the air spring bushing and lower control arm are locked. Now torque the bolt to factory torque specific, 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds. With this done, the air spring bag and lower control arm are now in the correct relationship.